Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Circa Alabang. Would you like to know the Serendra version here on the south side? I'm going to give you a tour on bakit ito yung I can say na has still the charm ng Alabang and also quiet side living. So as you can see, here at my back, the Viento Towers from 1 to 3. This is only a mid-zone na condominium. Tapos, malapit pa siya sa mga prime locations natin such as Ayalabang Town Center, Molito, and different schools here in Alabang. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you finishes ng isang Alveo property dito and ano yung mga magiging future naming plans. We still have the Noveo Tower 1 which is near turnover. Tapos we're going to launch next year, 2026. The Noveo Tower 2. So there will be options from studio to 3-bedroom, pero baka magkaroon pa ng 4-bedroom. I'll get back to you on that. Tapos meron tayong nag-iisa na lang na commercial lot na ino-offer dito. So stay tuned guys as I will show you around, okay? And we're currently here at the ground lobby ng Viento Towers. Ayan si Kuya Guard. And we have a concierge on action. Very peaceful. So, few thoughts. We launched si Viento Tower 1 last 2017. It was at 175,000 pa price per square. And fast track after 5 years, naging 260,000 na siya price per square. So it's a 49% increase. And then yung huli naming launch is the Noveo Tower 1. So, ibig sabihin, natapos na yung Viento Tower 1 hanggang 3, di ba? We have the Noveo Tower 1. And ang starting price niya was around 275,000. As of today, nasa around almost 300 yan, more or less, depending on the unit. And as of today naman, October 2025, meron na lang tayong 9 units na studio, isang unit na 1-bedroom, sold out na 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom, which is why we're going to launch soon si Noveo Tower 2. And so very nice yung lobby dito kasi sobrang peaceful and low dense living talaga. Bihira lang ako makakita ng mga residents na passing by. So stay tuned guys ha. So I'll tour you around with the area and ano yung mga future finishes ng Noveo Tower 1. Ayan guys, just wanted to share with you, this is the Viento Tower 1. Dito yung entrance niya. Tapos these will be future retails and perhaps restaurants dito in Circa. Ayan. So si Viento na visit natin kanina is the phase 1 ng master plan neto. By the way pala guys, this is a 6.6 hectares mixed-use development ni Ayala Land. Ni Alveo. So we have here the retail district. Yan yung phase 2. Then you have here the Noveo Tower 1 which is near turnover. So the finishes will be similar with Viento but of course much upgraded kasi next generation ng Alveo. And then you have here naman ang binebenta naming commercial lot. So isa na lang ang available as of now. Ayan. So dito in the future pala magkakaroon ng retail shop dito. It's a low rise na mall. So para siyang 2-floor lang estimated na magkaaroon ng mga retails, kainan, shopping district. And let's check this one. Sa baba naman is the parking area. Ayan. So magkakaroon ng walkable dyan. Tapos magkakaroon ng commercial naman dito sa side. Tapos yung ditong, if you can see this one, dyan naman yung mga for lease natin or for rental na commercial space. So if you are established business na looking to expand, pwede ka dito kasi this is just near lang din with Molito and Ayala Town Center. Tapos ang community pa ng mga mag-shop and dine dyan are Alveo, high-end upscale market. So guys, this is the investment drive papuntang Daang Hari. So this will be around 30-minute drive lang from here to Vermosa. Tapos bandang doon naman is the Zapote Road. Then from here, you can see the Sun Life headquarters ng Alabang area. Tapos siguro from here sa Circa Estate to Alabang Town Center, 5-minute drive, nakapark ka na niyan. So, ang lapit lang niya sa community. Ayan, as you can see, tanghali. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Eddie, your real estate guy. And if you do enjoy this kind of contents, please subscribe. Also, kung gusto mo naman maka-receive ng updates or computation or maybe schedule a viewing with me, please leave a message. See you on the next video guys, and I hope you enjoy kasi we'll be having a tour ng iba't ibang Alveo projects and soon to be Ayala Land Premier na din as Alveo and Premier are going to merge. So allowed na din kami mag-sell ng iba't ibang projects. So stay tuned guys and see you on the next video. Bye!